Hello guys, you're welcome again to another After Effects tutorials, and today I want to show you a very quick one how you can animate any character in Adobe After Effects with just a simple click and very fast. So support me on this one. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then turn on the notification, come back, let's get started. Now in Adobe After Effects, I've already set up my scene like this. I got this Father Christmas from freepik.com and I then made up the remaining setup for this animation. So quickly, you pick up the puppet tool right here from the top. Once you pick that up, select the layer you want to animate, in this case daddy. So I'm going to pull in and create points like this. After you create multiple points around your character using the puppet pin, so we got to make sure our time indicator is at 0, and then select any part of this puppet pin. Once you select it like this and hold down Control, and this is going to automatically animate it for us as we move using our mouse movement. So you see that right now. So once you leave, you click out, then let's feed this to frame. And let's preview. So I'm going to drop the resolution to about quarter. So let's preview this and see now what we've done. You can see that this has just created a movement for us using what we just used. So we can go back again and select the puppet pin right here on the head. Still hold down the Control key and this will start moving. So make sure you just move it accordingly as you want to see this. And there you have it. So if you play back again, you see this is moving. So you can go ahead to do this multiple times to any kind of character and you create an amazing character animation quickly in Adobe After Effects. It is the Christmas season and you can use this for any logo reveal or any promo for your video. If you learned something new on this video, please hit the like button. That will enable the algorithm to suggest this to more people. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll reply to all questions as quick as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can support me in any way. You can give me super thanks, subscribe to my membership, whatever way you want to support me with. Even if you share the video, that is also a huge support and it is highly appreciated. If you like the video, leaving a comment is all a support. So in whatever way you are able to support me, I highly appreciate you. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.